Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Memcached on Kubernetes with Helm chart, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a running Kubernetes cluster. You can use Minikube, GKE, EKS, or any other Kubernetes provider. Next, install Helm if you haven't done so already. To install Helm, download it from the official Helm website. Follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. Once Helm is installed, initialize it to set up a local repository. Run the command helm repo at bitnami https://charts.bitnami.com/bitnami to add the Bitnami repository. This repository contains the Helm chart for Memcached. After adding the repository, update your Helm repository list. Use the command helm repo update to pull the latest charts. Now, you can install Memcached using Helm. Run the command helm install my Memcached bitnami/memcached to deploy Memcached. This command will create a new release named my Memcached. Wait a few moments for Kubernetes to provision the resources. Verify that Memcached is running by executing kubectl get pods. Look for a pod with a name starting with my Memcached in the list. To access the Memcached service, you may need to set up port forwarding. Use the command kubectl port forward svc/mymemcached 11211:11211 to forward the local port to the Memcached service. Now, Memcached should be accessible at localhost 11211 on your machine. To test the Memcached installation, you can use a Memcached client. Install a Memcached client on your local machine. Connect to Memcached at localhost 11211 using the client. You can now start adding, retrieving, and managing cached data. Finally, remember to clean up your resources when you're done. Run Helm uninstall my Memcached to remove the Memcached deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.